Hey guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. It's time to get back to work on PARTriSha, remove a few more pieces in here, and I'm beginning to see this huge cavity that I've got a really good idea about what to do with Malachi. Stay tuned. Hey guys, when you get your 100th can of PB Blaster, PB Blaster will send you a Lifetime Achievement Award. And I think everybody who owns a FMTV should own stock in PB Blaster. Oh, look at there. My Lifetime Achievement Awards came in. They're a bunch of stickers, PB Blaster stickers. If you would like one of these, message me and I'll send one to you. I've only got a limited supply. So message me, I'll send you a PB Blaster sticker and a nice little note. Time to pick up the T-Fab. What do you think, buddy? He's just like Bob, he doesn't say much. Are you guys hearing this? I've never heard that beep before. I'm liking it. Well, you see the corrosion inside there? Hey. Yeah, it looks like a little bit of rust went down inside there too. Well, I'm gonna have to clean that out. That's not good. I had to modify the bracket, so I wasn't terribly happy with its position. So it looked like when the cab raised up, it would probably contact some of the wires. So I've moved it off. I've offset it just a little bit more. Still don't know if this is going to work, but this is version 2.0. Well, there it is. It looks like it's going to be clear of everything, but I'm not going to know for sure until I raise the cab. All right, so here I am underneath Malachi, and this is the wet tank. I'm going to attempt to track this line, and I know it goes forward. I'm going to go and find this all the way up front and tee into it up there. All right, so I found that the wet tank line goes all the way up to this guy right here, right off the front bumper here. So the object is of course to cut that line, which I really hate doing, to add a T, but I couldn't see, I mean, they didn't have enough of brass fittings and stuff to fit on that, and it was just going to be a nightmare. And I think this will do just fine. Well, it clears everything nicely. Even the wires are still plugged in. So that is going to work out just fine. All right, now that I have it up, I got to remember to grab that grease zerk right there. And that is right by the cab lifting hydraulic ram. Now let's see if I can't zorch the whole thing. Holy mackerel! Oh my God! I love it when a plan comes together. Holy cow! It's even loud inside here. Wow. Well, hey guys, I am so stoked at how all of this came together. It's really, really cool. I'm so happy to have it finally done. I've been in so many parades. Kids just look at me and they ask me to honk the horn, and I honk this horn that's not even as good as the horn that's in my VW Bug. It's pretty pathetic, but now that this monster horn is in, I'm gonna see them wet their pants. It's gonna be great. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button. And if you don't mind subscribing, that would be awesome. And please tell your friends to subscribe. Trying to build the channel and can't do it without your help and support. Hey, while I do the last things to button up Malachi, go ahead and leave a comment. It's always fun to see what you guys have to say. And I'll see you guys next time. Until then, be safe and God bless. Oh my God, that's funny. Oh my God, that's hilarious.